I'm Seth. I'm the dev behind the Python SEO Analyzer. You have come across it on your searches across the internet. It's awesome. I love it. The internet tolerates it. I'll call that a success. The only big problem with it is it doesn't support larger websites. After completely rewriting it and adding a bunch of features that I desperately needed, I'm finally releasing it to the world. Black SEO Analyzer. It does all the things I've ever wanted from a technical SEO analysis super tool. It's a command line application, so it can be run in CI pipelines, on servers, or on a schedule. It supports single page applications, which is super important for all of you React crazies out there. It integrates AI analysis from DeepSeek, Claude, OpenAI, and has a whole suite of analysis tools to check site performance, security, user friendliness, the things you need it to do. Check out the link below for a full list of features. Finally, one last thing. I'm releasing Black SEO Analyzer under a new license, the Lifetime Software Ownership License. Essentially what this means is when I'm done with Black SEO Analyzer, the source code becomes open source and you have access to it. So no more licensing restrictions, no more weird, oh, it is abandonware, none of that. Once I'm done with it, cool, the community gets to keep it. So if I were to rage quit the internet or move to Costa Rica, cool. I don't update it for a year, the software is y'all's. Do with it what you please. So thanks for your time, and I'm excited to see what happens. Bye!